In today's video, I'll demonstrate how to enable the 9-box layout feature on your TikTok Live. The 9-box option is part of a multi-guest layout, allowing you to invite and go live with up to 8 other people. This new update on TikTok is gradually replacing the previous 6-box option. To access the 9-box layout, the process is straightforward and mirrors that of the 6-box layout. If you've been using the 6 boxes on TikTok, follow the same steps to update TikTok Live and access the 9-box feature. If it's not available immediately after updating, be patient, it'll become available soon. Here's a quick guide. First, go to Play or App Store and update the app. Then, click on the plus sign at the bottom of your screen. Select the live option and go live on TikTok. Once live, locate the guest icon at the bottom left corner. Click on it. In the window that appears, click on the settings icon at the top right corner. Within the settings, you'll find 2 layout options, the panel for 5 boxes and the grid for 9 boxes. Choose the grid option and click on Switch. Stay on the guest screen, click on Settings at the top right corner. Turn on the toggle button for fixed layout. Confirm the action. By following these steps, you should see the 9 boxes if the update is available for you. Keep in mind that this feature may not be accessible to all users immediately, but updating your TikTok application through the App Store will help ensure you get it soon. Remember to give this video a like if you found it helpful and subscribe for more useful tips. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video.